Here I come.
Well, we're in this apartment. Let's check it out real quick. Kitchen looks good. Don't see anything wrong in here. Let's check the microwave lights. Yep, got one burnout. You gotta put LEDs in there. If you put incandescent, people leave them on, burn them up. Fridge is good. Check it out. It's a refrigerator magnet. It's a bat. Anyways. Check the dishwasher. Ooh, look at that filth. Oh my gosh. Let's check it out. See, this is stupid. There's no way to get hold of that drawer. Need some knobs. Right here, check it out. Discharge line's laying down. That's the reason why your garbage disposal full of, or your dishwasher full of water. So that's gonna stink really bad. Plus they never used it. So I don't see no water coming out. It's probably jammed up. There you go. There we go. I'll probably have to do 2 cycles on this. Probably have to do 2 cycles on it to get all that water out because it's full. Ooh, that stinks. Alright, so for the most part, painter will take care of that. Left some chairs out here. Well, I had contractors come through and repaint all these decks. And look at that, paint peeling right off of it. It's because they didn't pressure wash it. And I told them, you got to pressure wash them. They never did. So I have to go around and pull the outlet covers off, change out the battery smoke detector, new filter. Lights are fine. I'll pull these off. That's just soap scums, all that is. Yeah. Go through here and check. Bedroom in the back looks good. I don't see anything wrong with it. Blinds are in good shape. Doors in good condition. Yeah, it needs to be knocked down on the top. It's a little swole. Walls look good. Closet looks good. Let's check this door. I need to cut off about 1/2 inch off that bottom, but it shuts. So yeah, we'll cut about 1/2 inch off the bottom of that door. I'll show you a cool way of doing it. This door here is fine. It just needs the top knocked off. That's about it. Look at that. Little water spot. It's not leaking through, but it's wet. And you can tell how the ceiling's all been tore out before. You got a seam crack. So someone's had this roof open before over that drain leaking. That drain runs right through here. I'll show you outside. Right there's the drain. So most likely, I'm gonna extend you up. You'll probably be able to see if there's water up there. I don't know. I have to rewind this in order to see, but most likely there's water standing up there. Anyways, so just another turn, man. So all I got to do is go through and take all the outlet covers off, fix that door, cut the bottom of that other door off before the painter gets here. That way he can do the painting and clean it up. So just a basic turn, man, on a 2-bedroom, 1-bath. Basically $900 a month. Phew, I hate these upper ones. I went to zip tie that garbage disposal line up, or that dishwasher eject line up, and I was struggling trying to get the line up. And then it dawned on me why The garbage disposal was turned around backwards. Boy, if we ain't got another one of them freaking messes. Ain't that some stupid? Jeez, man. It comes out of here, goes up. This, oh my gosh, man. So, I'm gonna have to redo this freaking line. I'm gonna have to redo it, redo all of it. Oh my gosh. Now I'm gonna be able to do it exactly the way I just did it on the last one you guys watched me do, where I got rid of this discharge line. That line's too high. So we'll do the same thing. Cap it off back there. Get rid of that line. Get rid of this line, and then tack it over and tap it to this line. But then again, this line is going down instead of up. You know what I'm saying? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, the stuff I find. So, yep, we're going to have to redo this because this is down too far. This tipped this way. It's supposed to be tipped. This should be at least this high. That way it's pitched down. Wow. So, yeah, good times, bro. Told you, man. The stuff I find, dude, is just not right, man. Job security, I guess you could say. Anyways. Good times, bro. Good times. Okay, so now we'll have to line this all up. I'm just going to temporarily put this on here. That gives me an idea where I'm going to. If I can get it to screw on. You know what? I'm not going to put the metal one back on there. It's screwed on better. That's funny. My electricity just went off. Alrighty. So the problem is with these apartments is when the tenants move out, they schedule the electricity to be shut off. So what happens is they just shut it off. They don't notify anybody. Anyways. So now we will mark this. Hold on a minute. Let me get a pencil. Alright, so we got this pipe, which goes to the dishwasher, or garbage disposal. I put that on. It comes with this pretty little, that actually has a groove in it. We'll set that up in now, in the hole. Get that nut started on the back. Get the front one on. Just get it started. Come on, got my hands dirty. Like I said, we're just getting it started. Let's get it on there. Okay. So now for the crossover, I need a nut. It's got a built-in ring. We'll get this on there. Just get started. Okay. Then we get this up where it needs to be. Tighten that up a little bit. It's got a bit of pitch to it, which is pretty good. We don't want it to, I'd rather it pitch too much than none. Not really, dude. Just messing. Make sure we got a nut on top. Yep, we do. Cool. You gotta have that little, there's a washer that goes in there. Flat. Okay, so go ahead and tighten this up. Okay, that's nice and tight. Now I can love tap it back over. Okay. So now I'm straight. A slight pitch. And now I should be able to push this up. See how that went up? That's cool. That's really good. You want a slight pitch. This way it's going to drain good. So let's get this nut on there. Get this tightened up. And the reason why I put a cap, a rubber cap on that drain line over there is so that if I need to, I can actually unscrew it or take it off to clean the drain out. Because I'm on the top floor here. So in case there's a drain back up and I need to run a snake, I can do it from there. There we go. Easy peasies. Just like Uncle Squeezy's. He's a little difficult here. He's still good stuff. Okay. Let's get this top nut. A little bit torquing. Let's run some hot water on it. Make sure we're good to go flowing. While that's heating up, I'll wipe some of this water up. That's pretty close. And then we'll give it that final little love tapper. Yep. You don't want to over torque them. You just want to get them warm, give them a little bit of a snug. Because that will, when it cools down, the plastic will, get hard again. Cool beans, guys? I hope you learned something today. I do it the right way. It's better than it was, that's for sure. Ain't got all that monkey pipe. No, all that monkey pipe's going.